To fix the access violation C00005 error in Red Dead Redemption, you can try a few steps. First, open the Task Manager by right-clicking on an empty space in the taskbar and selecting Task Manager. In the Task Manager, look for two programs, MSI Afterburner and Rivatuner Statistics Server, which may also be listed as RTSS. If either of these programs is running, click on it and select End Task to close it down. Next, check the hidden icons in the bottom right corner of the screen to ensure that these programs are completely shut down. If they are not, right-click on them and select Exit or Close. If closing these programs does not work, try uninstalling them completely. To do this, go to the Control panel and click on Programs and Features. Find MSI Afterburner and Rivatuner Statistics Server in the list of installed programs. Click on each one and select Uninstall. If you cannot find these programs in the Control panel, you can also try searching for them in the Windows uninstaller by typing Add or Remove Programs in the search bar. For Steam users, another step you can try is verifying the integrity of the game files. To do this, open the Steam app, go to the library, and find Red Dead Redemption. Right-click on the game and select Properties. Then click on Install and select Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will scan the game files and replace any that are missing or corrupted. If none of these steps work, you may need to try uninstalling and reinstalling the game itself. To do this, go to the Steam library, find Red Dead Redemption, and click on the gear icon to select Manage. Then, click on Uninstall and wait for the game to be uninstalled. Once it is uninstalled, you can reinstall it by clicking on the Install button. Hopefully, one of these steps will resolve the access violation C00005 error and allow you to play the game without issues.